We're at the little auction lot to see if we can find a couple little feeders. Got a couple good looking bulls here. Not much turnout this time of year. The feeders just aren't here this time of year, but we might find a couple little ones.
That 82, $81, but it could have 1, 2, but it could 2, but it could have 1, 2, 3, but it could 3, but it could have 1, 3, but it could have 1, 83. Come on, 26.
83 cents?
Yeah. 150, but it could 150, but it could 50, but it could 78, half, $8.50, but it could 150, but it could 78, $50, $8.50, but it could 76, but it's 5 half, 6, 9, 1, 2 half, 7, 77, but it's 7 half, 1, 7 half, 8, 78, but it's 7 half, 78, but it's 7 half, 78, 150, but it's 8, 78 half, 8, 9, 79, but it's 9, 9 half, 80, 80, but it's 80, but it's 80, but it's 9 half, 80, but it's 80, but it's 9 half, but it's 80, 79, 50, put them on, 26, 26, 27, 77, 50, 7, 9 half, 1, 7 half, 1, 78, but it's 8, but it's half, 8, 9, 79 half, 9 half, 9, 8, but it's 8, but it's 9 half,
good looking.
79 half, 49, 50, but it's 8, but it's 9 half, 80, but it's 9 half, but it's 80, 79, 50.
He's a little lighter than that other black one, but he sure looks good.
Somebody using some reading it, but emotion. 40, now 1, 40, but 41, but again, but 40, but 41, so we're 40. Number 4. 49, 50, 51, but 50, but 51, 2, 52, 41, 2, but 51, 2, 41, 2, 41, but 2, so we're 51. Quarter number 52, 5, 2. Steer Brad, overnight set, $80 half, $50, but again, $1600 pound, $50, but again, $50, but again, $80, but again, 1 half, 2, 2, but again, 2, but again, half, 2, half, 50, but again, 3, 83, but again, 3, half, 4, 84, 150, but again, 4, half, 50, but again, 5, 85, 85, 4 half, 5, 155, 140, 150, but again, 85, so 84, 50. Put them on. 51, 5, 1. $2, 50, $2,
1,500 pounds.
That's a couple of fats also.
Half, 67, 97 half, 7 half, 98, 98 half, 89, 99, 99 half, $1 bill, $1 bill, $90 half, $50, $50, half, so $1 bill, number,
He's short little guy.
Give 90, 1. 88, 2, 4, 5, 86, 87, 87, 91, 92, 92, 98, number 119, 119, 51, 81, 84,
1,300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good steers here.
200 pounders.
Thanks, DJ. Yeah, good steers here. Yeah, 91, 90, number 9, 91, 80, 81, 80, but get 81, but get 80, but get 81, 70, 71, 2, 72, but get 2, but get 1, 2, but get 71, 72, 71, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, but get 74, 73, 4, 5, 6, 76, 7. 77, 8, 78, 9, bring it down, 80, bring it 81, 82, bring it 2, bring it 1, 2, bring it 81, 2, bring it 1, 2, bring it 81, 82, bring it 1, bring it 2, so it's 81, little number, 119, 119.
We struck out at the auction. There was a couple little Hereford, everything went super cheap. If I wasn't on a limited budget for beef where I have to be kind of picky on what I buy, man, I would have bought probably a dozen little Herefords and a couple other little guys. They were so cheap, great deals. But just, I gotta be kind of fussy for my situation right now. Maybe in a couple years when we're moving a couple hundred steers a year, then you bet. Yep, I would have loved to pick them up. 600 pounders went for $1.04. How freaking awesome is that? We got a couple big auctions coming up here in the end of the month, so we'll see. Otherwise, every Monday I'll go down there and maybe have some better luck. But yeah, oh well. So at least we got our first time to the auction. Was a swing and a miss, but oh well, it was still a fun time and a little bit of time with Dad and whatever. And so I'm back out here on the pasture, just trying to finish up fencing and go from there.